When you arrive at the airport, the key to using TSA PreCheck is making sure your boarding pass shows the PreCheck indicator. That only happens if your known traveler number (KTN) is correctly added to your airline reservation. Once you've checked in and confirmed the pre-check logo is printed, head straight to the dedicated TSA pre-check lane, which is usually marked with the clear signage near the main security checkpoint. At the lane, present your boarding pass and government ID. The process is much faster. You'll keep your shoes, belt, and light jacket on, and you won't need to remove laptops or liquids from your bag. Most travelers clear security in under 10 minutes compared to the longer standard lines. At the airport, the SA pre-check is all about having the right boarding pass and using the correct lane. If your pass shows the indicator, you'll enjoy a smoother, faster screening experience every time.